Welcome to the Sixpack Factory fitness channel, where we make getting a six-pack fast, fun, and easy, all from the comfort of home. Today we have a fat-burning dumbbell workout that you can use to build muscle while burning fat. Now, we want to welcome you to this channel. If you're brand new or if you've been with us for a while, thank you so much for being here. If you have wondered if sticking to it is going to get you the results that you desire, I just want to share some proof with you. We've helped over 300,000 people lose weight, burn fat, and get six-pack abs. Here's just a few of the people who've had incredible results using our at-home fitness programs. This one specifically was the 6-week six-pack challenge, which if you want more information, click the link below and you can join us for our next challenge that's getting started soon. So for today's workout, we have a dumbbell workout. You're going to need 2 different dumbbells, and we want this to be at your fitness level. So we need you to get a weight where you can do 16 reps of each of these 4 movements. We want you to be sweating by the end of this, but we also want you to be able to do those 16 reps. So pick a weight that feels a little bit challenging, but you can still complete the full 16 reps. So how this particular workout structure works, we're going to do 15 minutes total, and we're using 4 different movements, which you can see on the screen here. We're doing dumbbell swings, dumbbell bicep curls, push presses, and gorilla swings, 16 each of those, and then we're going to rest for 30 seconds and then get right back into it. We're going to do this for a total of 15 minutes. Now, I've got this timed to the 16 movements, taking about 20 seconds per movement. If that's too fast for you, you can feel free to pause the video in between, or you can watch it with us one time and then go through the structure on your own. Here's all the movements that you're going to need. Now, if that's too slow for you, then same thing. You can use these 4 movements and go through it at your own pace, but we want you to go 16 reps each for the full 15 minutes. Okay, that's how this workout structure goes. So I invite you to do this workout with us, and if you do, at the end, I'm going to give you our keyword of the month for January, where you can enter to win a 6-pack protocol bundle, which includes 4 of our most popular at-home fitness programs, including that 6-week 6-pack challenge that I was talking about earlier. This helped over 300,000 people lose weight, burn fat, and get 6-pack abs right from the comfort of their own home. All right, so I invite you to watch the whole thing with us. All right, we are going to get ready here, so go grab those dumbbells, come on back, and let's do this workout together. All right, get ready. We're getting started here in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, dumbbell swings, and go. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really want you to focus on your form here. This is a controlled movement. We don't want you swinging that dumbbell too high and losing control. So focus on your form here. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2 more, 15, 16. We're moving right into those dumbbell bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, this is a controlled movement. Look how the posture needs to be for this movement. You want to protect that lower back. You want a nice, steady core here. 2 more, 14, 15, 16. Great job. So push presses. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing a great job. Really push those dumbbells up at the top of this movement. We want you to have that full force. 2 more, and great job. Gorilla swings here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing here. Control that core while you make this motion. This isn't a wild and reckless movement. This is a controlled movement. Great job. We're going into a 30-second rest here. You've earned this. You're doing amazing. Grab some water, take a couple of deep breaths. We've got a few more rounds of this. We're going the full 15 minutes. I believe in you. I know you can do this. You're getting started. That's the hard part. And now just keep going. We're in this together. You've got this. We got 10 seconds on that recovery. All right, we're jumping back in. Dumbbell swings in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Dumbbell bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Push press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Gorilla swings. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great job. You're starting to break a sweat. You've earned this 30 seconds here. You're doing a great job. We just got a few more sets of this to go. I'm so proud of you for showing up today, for doing this workout, and I invite you to make this a part of your lifestyle, a part of your routine. Come back to our channel, watch this video over and over again. You will start to see results. We're shredding fat and we are building that muscle, and we're going to jump into those dumbbell swings in 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Focus on form. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great job. Bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold that core. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Push press. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Gorilla swings. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Go ahead and take that 30-second rest. You've earned it. Grab water, take deep breaths. We're about halfway through. You're doing an awesome job. You've got this. We've got 20 seconds left on this rest period. 15, 10. All right, we've got about 5 seconds left. Come on back, and we're going to get started with those dumbbell swings and begin. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great job. Dumbbell bicep curls. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great job. Push presses and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Gorilla swings and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome job. We've got another 30-second recovery. That one went so fast. If you're starting to lose steam, you're not. Go ahead, take 3 deep breaths. In, out, in, out, in, out. Rebuild that energy and come right back into this workout with the same intensity that you started. You've got this. Push through to the end. I believe in you. I know you can do this. We've got about 5 more seconds here on this recovery, so come on back. We're getting started with those dumbbell swings and go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want a little more of a challenge, go ahead and pick up that second dumbbell and finish off the rest of those with those 2 dumbbells. 1 more. Great job. Bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great job. And push press. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Gorilla swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, as you're getting to the end of this and you're starting to get tired, remember to maintain your form. Keep this a nice controlled motion. Great job. We've got that 30-second recovery. I just want to tell you how proud I am for sticking with this workout to this point. The majority of people have quit by now. They've given up, but you are still here. I am so proud of you. I hope that you are also proud of yourself. You are here. Remember why you're here. Think of your goals. Think of why you're doing this. Think of the vitality and the youthfulness that you're gaining. You're gaining years back on your life. Keep going. We're getting started here in 3, 2, 1. Dumbbell swings. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep that controlled motion. You've got this. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome job. Bicep curl. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And push presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 gorilla swings. Let's get it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome job. 30-second recover here. This is going to be our last set. I am so proud of you. Keep going. If you need to pause this video and take a little bit longer of a rest, go for it. I just want you to finish. You are so close to the finish line. Keep going. I believe in you. You've got this. We've got 10 more seconds here. Big, deep breaths. Go ahead and fill your lungs. Get that energy going. We're getting back into it in 3, 2, 1. Dumbbell swings and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 1, 2, 3. Push presses. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I won't make you do an extra one this time. 15, 16. Great job. We've got gorilla swings and get to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome job. You did it. You made it through this entire workout. Now go ahead and comment below Team Six-Pack Abs to be entered to win our six-pack protocol bundle for the month of January. We do a drawing at the last day of every month. We'll notify you in the comments if you are the winner. So go ahead and comment below. And as you know, 80% of losing weight starts with what you eat. So we are giving away a free 27 recipes to get six-pack abs. You can download your free cookbook from Sixpack Factory at the link below. Now, if you want more full-length workout videos, go ahead and subscribe to this channel where we share a new workout every single week. And I've included another one right here. So if you want to keep going on this workout, just click that link and keep going on your fitness journey. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we will see you back next week.